Hello everybody, how's everybody doing today? I'm back with another stack of bills. I'm on the $50 bills right now. So I've actually had some requests to do 50s again. So here I am, back with a stack of 50s. So now here's an interesting date here. 2004, 2050. Not quite 2050 yet, but interesting nonetheless. Not much on that one. I think I mentioned before on these bills, the $50 bills, we got the old crabby Grant down there. Doesn't he look a little crabby? Pair of fives. I always thought so. Yeah, well, that sounds good. Oh, I just got back. I was doing a little metal detecting out and about today. Yeah, I found a whole 37 cents. How about that? Didn't even pay for the gas. Well, I got a nice little tan anyway, so a little tan and a little bit of a workout. Yeah, that's metal detecting is a little bit more of a workout than you think it is if you haven't done it before. So please comment. Let me know what you think. It's with the up and down, the dig. Yeah, you can get a sore back really quick. And one of the things I've found out in the past is, well, here we got two pair of threes. Is between the fishing and metal detecting, I actually had some issues with my shoulder. What do we got here? Fives and sevens. Yeah, it took a long time for me to heal off that bomber, I'll tell you. But I gotta watch it a little bit now so it don't happen again. Pair of fives. Getting all excited for the summer coming up here. It's getting some nice weather, and pair of eights. Been out fishing a couple times and do a little metal detecting. It's always fun on these nice days out there. Pair of eights there. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I was in an area. The first time I went out there, I found 1890 something. I can't remember what it was, penny. But in the Midwest, the soil is so acidic on coins, pair of deuces, that it really raises hell with the patina on those things. Not very conducive. I imagine like down in the desert or something, you could have a coin for 100 years and it won't affect it very much. But this acidic soil around here is just crazy. Pair of ones. So even if you find a rare one, it's probably going to be not in too good shape. But you never know what the heck you're going to find, right? Sixes and eights, that's a nice number. And that's what it's all about. Metal detecting, searching for star notes, kind of the same realm of things. So, pair of sixes. Always searching for things. I guess that's what nature of people, isn't it? Always searching for something. Pair of sixes. Deuces. The one bad thing about metal detecting is, oh, what do you get? A pair of eights. You could, you get a hit on something. The aces, a pair of eights and sixes. And you could literally be digging for 10 minutes trying to locate what you got the hit on. And it turns out to be a nail. Or a bottle cap. Pair of fives. That's what is kind of, a little irritating, but deuces and eights, and that's part of the gig, That is the way it is. Just like looking for the almighty star note, and here we're halfway through the stack and we ain't found one yet. Threes and ones. Not even 3 of a kind. That's kind of unusual. Usually I get the dreaded 666s. But today, so far, not having it. But we got a half stack to go yet, so we're doing good. Oh, there you go. Just what I mentioned, there's 3 sevens right there. That's right. I think I got to complain a little bit more, and then stuff shows up. Yeah, pair of 6s. Yeah. No, it's in the Midwest here. We're having some beautiful weather. Just crazy. Crazy nice. 3 threes and a pair of 9s. Beautiful. I love it. What do we got here? Just a pair of 9s. Same thing there again. Pair of 9s. And look what we got here. Now this is, what do we got here? It's kind of a beat. It isn't too bad a shape, I guess. You know, obviously it's got the folds and, you know, the borders are a little off on it. What are we dealing with here? 2013. Looks like it could be a lower number. That would be kind of nice. So I'm going to set him off to the side. And cool. Our 50s came through. I wonder if there's another one hiding in there. Well, let's check it out. Cool. Now, speaking of that, the last one, the $100 one I found, Star Note, was not a rare one, but you never know. You got to keep on looking, just like metal detecting, right? And this would probably be a good time to mention, hey, if you're like what I'm doing here, please give me a subscribe hit, comment, the like thing, whatever you want to do. You know, it's really helpful for the algorithms. The same algorithms that won't let me put out some videos. Pair of 4s and pair of 8s. So we'll try to keep it positive here. So now here's a bookend one here. 2s and 6s on the ends there. So yeah. No, it's been pretty good. I got thank you, 1,660 some odd subscribers. I really appreciate it. And please do binge watching. I appreciate that too. 1s and 4s there. See what I come up with. I'm going to do 50s for a while here, I think. And then I might go to 20s later on. So there we got 3s, 9s, and 5s. That's kind of a neat little bill there. I had an issue. Yeah, look at it, 3 9s. Issue with the bank. They were giving me a little bit of a hard time. I think I mentioned this before. The new gal was the head of the tellers, and she was very interested to know why I was trading in money, bills, you know. Yeah, 60, 70, and a 10. And she wasn't going to let me do any more bills. And a pair of 8, you know, trade outs. Because she thought I was laundering money, which was preposterous. But anyway, I had a talk with the vice president of the bank, who I went to school with and knew who it was. And known him for 50 some years. And I don't know. That lady ain't working there no more. I don't know what the heck happened there. Pair of 8s, but he told me just do what you do. Don't worry about it. So I'm like, okay. Yeah. So I don't know what the heck happened to that woman. She was new, and I don't know. I still don't understand why they were making a big deal out of me trading in bills. Pair of 9s. But that's the way some banks are. I've noticed that. Pair of 4s, pair of 6s. Majority of banks are pretty good though. Pair of fives, they're, it's all about, hey, what are you going to do today for bills? 50s, 100s, 20s. They got a pair of deuces and 11s, and they're very happy to work with me. And they think it's kind of neat what I'm doing. And then other ones are just really standoffish. Pair of eights, well, of course, the ones that are standoffish, number one, I don't go back to them. But the other thing is, if I would want to do some business, if I need to take out a loan or something, or whatever the case, I'm not going to those banks, I'll tell you that right now. So, because you got to get an attitude, you get their attitude towards customers, pair of threes, and the way they treat you. Yeah, if there's any business owners out there, think about that. Treat everybody, as if they're your major customer. So as the next business owner, I've gone through a lot of that. So pair eights, I always try to be really good about that with all my customers. I think they all liked me. They hated to see me retire, I guess. I got a 57 and a 57 there. Well, looks like we are at the end of the line here, so that's kind of nice. And yeah, I'm going to check this out. Please check me out on my next video. Do the subscribe thing again. Watch them all the way through. I really appreciate it. I need the hours. I need people to watch these. And I'm going to try to be more interesting to keep you there too. So thank you so much. You have a good one.